Today I need to do some service on my cat hammer, but before I do that, I want to show you the maintenance kit that cat has provided. Some of the components of that kit are an extra bit, depending on the application I may be in or encounter. Inside the toolbox, they've also provided some hydraulic hammer paste that works great at high temperatures because of the copper and graphite mixture. They've also provided a new retaining pin for our tool, a centerline punch to be used when servicing the tool, an adapter for whenever we are checking our nitrogen levels. To be used with that is our nitrogen gas charging gauge and device, along with a hose for when supplying new nitrogen charge. They've also provided some additional roll pins to be used on the tool if needed. A few additional O-rings in the kit are provided, as well as a new grease zerk in case the one we have gets damaged. Sometimes material will get in there and cause issues with our grease zerk. Now that I went over the components of the kit, now I'm going to grease the hammer. I'm going to do that by driving the hammer tip into the concrete barrier slowly to fully retract the tool prior to greasing. Now that we have the bit fully retracted, I'm going to grease our tool. Now, sometimes this tool can get warm, get hot to the touch, so I'm going to make sure I wear some gloves just to prevent any issues. I'm going to take my grease gun connected to my grease zerk, and I'm going to give it about 4 or 5 pumps of grease. We're going to grease this hammer every couple hours, and if we ever have a question about that, I'm going to refer to my owner's manual that they have here mounted next to my hammer.